Hey everyone, whether you're a seasoned landlord or this is your first time getting into renting, I wanted to take some time to cover some common landlord mistakes. I'm Pierce Fry with Tide Property Management, and today I'm going to be covering a couple ways landlords might make mistakes that could cost them money down the road. Number one, and one of the most important, is the screening aspect when it comes to filling your rental property. A lot of times when landlords advertise properties, they may be wanting to get someone in there quickly, whether it be due to potential mortgage payment or just wanting to go ahead and start generating income. And the mistake that often is made with landlords is getting someone in there without doing a proper screening. If someone offers, hey, I've got 2 months security deposit, or I can go ahead and pay 3 months in advance, that can be enticing. However, when it comes to risks and issues down the road, those are going to be significantly increased if the screening isn't done properly. The next one is making sure that you budget for the appropriate amount of maintenance that's going to be required for your property. Is your property a new construction home, or is it 20, 30 years old? These are items you want to make sure you're adding into your figures every month, and you're saving up for in case you have those capital expenditures later on down the road. The last thing you want to have happen is be operating on razor thin margins and you have your HVAC go out or need a new roof. Items like that are never going to come up when it's most convenient. So it's always good to be making sure you're stowing away some reserves every month for those potential issues. Lastly is making sure you understand the laws in your state. One of the biggest issues people have is when it comes to security deposits and evictions, understanding what is and is not in landlord-tenant law. All these things are going to save you a ton of heartache and headache, both with your lease and then just operating on a daily basis with your residents. It's going to be able to help cut those conversations short should they be deterring into, well, this is not in the law. And if you know it, you're able to recite it to them and also make sure that you're operating within those bounds. If you have any questions about any of these items, at Tide Property Management, we are experts in these 3 items when it comes to advertising properties and screening, landlord-tenant law. I'd be more than happy to offer some help if you need any. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are always here for you if you need us. Have a great day.